I'm sitting here in the kitchen making dinner, and there's a funny sound coming from over here. And it sounds like the whole thing is like something's going on here. I kind of want to take a look and see. I want to pull the food out and see what the problem is, but if it's breaking and I'm gonna lose my freezer, I want to keep the freezer shut. Something isn't right here. It's making that sound on either side. Oh, it sounds like refrigerant leaking out or something. Well, I'm gonna let it sit for a little while and see what happens. I mean, it should have kicked on with how long I had that open. I don't know. We'll see what happens. The refrigerator is running again, and everything seems copacetic. The noise is gone. The only thing I can think of is that the sound would be water dripping onto the heating element and then making that kind of sound from contacting the element. But I wouldn't think it gets quite that hot. Well, I don't know. We'll have to revisit it further if it starts again.